In this video, I'll show you how to follow people in Roblox. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. Now, if for any reasons you want to follow people or follow someone on Roblox, what you're going to do right now, I'm going to walk you through all you're going to do, right? So let's say I want to follow someone from Lily's friend, right? I'm going to click on Lily's profile. Once it has opened up, below you're going to see a list of friends, right? So, okay, you can see she has 25 friends right now. And let's say I want to follow Anna, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Anna's profile, wait for it to load, right? Once it has opened up, what I'm going to do right now, once it has opened up, I'm going to click here, right? You can see this shaded icon. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on the follow, right? So you can see, if you click on the followers, you can see I'm currently amongst Anna followings, right? So you're going to see the how to do. So this is me, right? So this is how you can follow someone, or you can follow people here on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.